Okay, let's get that tooth pulled out. First tooth. No, Thursday, November 3rd, 2011. Thank you. Okay, here you go.
There's two in your hand.
Yep, that's fine. Why do you need a tissue?
Because it's easier to grab it out.
Oh, okay.
See that blood?
Yep, that's okay. It's going to bleed a little bit. Once you get it out, it'll be all done, and then the other one that's behind there can come forward.
Yeah, I'll slide over. Wait.
Okay, come on.
I'll show you when I'm done.
Okay. Here, look at me. Look at me.
Okay.
Okay, you guys fingers. Just pull it out with your fingers. It's so close, honey.
Oh.
Okay, here. Turn around and look in this mirror and pull it out. Because it is so close. Now if you leave it like that, you're going to swallow it.
Oh my God, it hurts.
Yeah. But just think how good it'll feel when it's out of there.
Got it!
You got it?
Oh my God.
Let me see your smile. Yay! You got it!
Can we wash it off?
No, let's wait.